Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that's going to help you shoot better videos with your cell phone. Doesn't matter what cell phone you have, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so as I promised, I've got a product I want to share with you guys that we are not affiliated with in any means. It's something I ordered a while back from Amazon. Now the link for this product is going to be down below. And of course, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that just simply by hitting the subscribe button or the icon in the corner of the video. So let's get this thing started. Now, we have been in a relentless pursuit to shoot better videos with our cell phones. In fact, I shot a whole video just with my cell phone, and we're going to have more of those to come. Now, one of the tools that we use is the Mefoto Sidekick. It looks like this. It's just a little tiny adapter piece. We got this off of Amazon. It's about 25 bucks. Now, what this is simply a little stand. It's got the metal arm bracket. It has three standard tripod mounts, and then it's got the larger diameter mount as well. Now, this moves around. The top kind of twists around, and then it is fully adjustable. You can get a fairly good size cell phone in this. Now, the orientation is obviously up to you on how you put your cell phone in. This is the iPhone X, my personal phone that I use for shooting videos. Now, with this product, it just simply clamps in however you want to clamp it, and then of course you can mount it. Now, the cool part about this is it holds on really tightly. The back you can unscrew and move it if you want to shoot videos for Facebook or for YouTube. You can simply use that orientation, or if you're jumping on to Instagram, then you just flip it straight up. Now, it does have the clearance. Obviously, you can adjust it up and down. Now, the cool thing about this product is it's not very big, it's cost effective, and it's durable. This thing, I've had it in multiple bags. I've traveled with it. I've shot a lot of footage with it. Now, let's show you some of the things that we've used it for. Now, this is the Joby Gorilla Pod. Again, a link for this will be below, and everything that you see in this video. Now, I use this. You just simply screw it in to whichever of the three holes that it fits into, or you can use the adapter if needed. So you'll screw it in, and then there you go. So now, with this, you can use it anywhere you want. You've got your Joby, you can shoot selfies, you can shoot other people. You have more control over your cell phone instead of just doing your shaky hands, to where you can use both hands, do a nice slow panoramic, or get up close and personal and shoot something very controlled. That's the point of this. Now, in addition to this mount, obviously we could take it and hook it to the mount right beside me, which is the Mefoto Be Free. Now, if you're going to do that, it's the same, really it's the same process, but again, you just slide it right on, just like this. I'll pop my little head up here. I have a flippable head on this thing because I do shoot videos with different orientations where I'll have my camera pointed down. I'll do a review on this little guy too, because this thing is very nice for shooting any kinds of videos because the head pops down. Now, again, if you were shooting a video just like this, or maybe it's something else, and you want to use your cell phone. Now, cell phones, I can't say enough on how great the video quality has become. Now, obviously, I don't foresee it replacing full-size video cameras like the one I'm shooting this video on anytime soon, but you can definitely shoot any kind of video that you want with your cell phone, and this is just a tool that's going to help. Now, let me flip this tripod out, just like that, and obviously you don't have to use this tripod, you can use any, and then there you go. You could be shooting video that simple, or you can set it up, hit the timer, and then shoot some photos. Now, again, this thing retails for around $25 at this time. Now, prices do change, as does pretty much anything else. But this is the Mefoto cell phone stand. I think that it's a great tool if you're shooting videos and photos with your cell phone. This thing can fit pretty much anywhere. It's lightweight. It's also durable. Now, being durable is a very important thing for any of us that are out on the run. Now, I take a lot of personal photos. I take a lot of photos and videos for the Wrench Out Experiment, and this thing has helped me a tremendous amount just simply because it makes life so easy. I can't say enough good things about it. Now, we are not affiliated with Mefoto by any means. However, we purchased this product and we have used it, again, probably hundreds if not thousands of times for photos and videos. So I highly recommend this if you are using it. This will help your photo and video game simply because you have more control over your device, which means you're going to have better products at the end of it. So let me move this out of the way. And again, the links for all of this stuff is going to be down below. So take a few seconds, click those links, check it out. Tell us what you guys think in the comments below. And of course, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the icon in the corner or hit the subscribe button on the bottom. We do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the Wrenched Out Experiment as we always do. And we'll have more reviews coming soon. So until next time, guys, hey, thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video.